I want to introduce to you my new camera, DJI Action 2. I've just bought it with a big hope to add to my videos a different perspective. Apparently this very light and small camera can be easily sticked to the clothes or maybe to the bicycle, motorbike, scooter. So I'm gonna check it out and see if it really works. Of course, I'll do a couple of follow-up videos and I can't wait to share with you my first experience and to see whether what DJI has promised concerning video quality, battery time, and all the features, whether it's really fulfilled and how it compares to GoPro. And please let me know in comments if you wish any particular tests, and I'm happy to try. So, and now let's check it out. I'm not quite sure what's inside. As expected, you need an app to be able to use it, so I'm gonna install it right after. Let's see. Oh, it's so small. Apparently it's should weigh only 56 grams. It's cool. I like it a lot. Wow. Can you believe? It's supposed to do 4K videos, and is the quality not worse than GoPro. It has just one button, which is, you know, from my perspective, super. Well, okay. So nice. It can be used together, so the battery life would be longer in this case, but it's obviously not so practical. The camera is waterproofed up to 10 meters, so we can maybe check it out too. Not today, I'm afraid, a little bit. They can be also working with the cold weather conditions, so I'll check it out. And I wanna check, for example, night filming and so on. So please stay with me, and you know, if you are interested in beginner experience, so I hope you find something useful. What else we've got? Not surprisingly. Ooh. So, if I'm not wrong, no. And magnet is here, so we wanna, and voila. So it's really super light, you don't notice that you have it. It doesn't look like it's gonna fall easily, okay? So you might be able to modify, I'm not sure. Investigate further. Suppose this is start guide. I managed it without it. Not finished yet. I think this is the most interesting part. Check it. Oh. So I assume you need, if you wanna have a stick, you have a holder for it. DJI Action. Oh no, this is in Chinese. How to change the bloody language? Now I'm going to charge it fully. I'm going to install the app And afterwards I will do my first shots and I will show you how it worked, whether I was able to do it with a scooter or bicycle, and how long the battery life was, and how the quality compares to GoPro. So to summarize my very first experience, I'm very satisfied with DJI Action 2. In some situations I was pleasantly surprised, for example in cold weather, like by -5 degrees or -10 even, it was still working fine and the battery was not empty as fast as I thought it would be, compared for example to GoPro. GoPro's battery were very quickly empty and DJI Action 2 was still working. So this was what I really liked. What else I really liked, that it's so light and you can so conveniently take it with you anywhere. You don't notice it at all. So it's perfect for example, hiking footages like I've shared with you in this video. So one thing you should note, of course, it's the internal storage. The internal storage is about 22 gigabytes, so it gets full very fast. And the advice is always to have an SD card with you, and you can very quickly copy the videos to the SD card and shoot again. So this is something you want to keep in mind, and always bring the power supply and the SD card with it. So important. What else? I've tried night footages. I'll do further tests about it. I'm not quite happy yet. Also worked pretty well to film out of your car your journeys. The main conclusion I have at this point of time, it's a great camera if you need an additional one in addition to your GoPro. If you just wanna have one camera for everything, for all kind of footages, then I would definitely stick to GoPro, and I will not replace GoPro by DJI Action 2. But if you wanna have an additional perspective, different kind of footages to support your main footage with a GoPro, if you need a just very light camera to take to your action exciting trips that you can very fast, easy turn on, just pressing one button, and you don't need to worry how to fix it exactly, you have it always with you, and you don't even notice it there. So I'm definitely happy, and I'm definitely going to use it a lot in the future, and I'll share with you the next results. Thank you very much for watching.